Twe omorai bwense Dr. William Ruto nigo boigo anyaleko bakwenekeria abakenya na serikali ya Kenya kwanza nebwa yabekire meroberi iri kwenekia buna anene nyaleko bage gukora omochando bwokonga kubugima. William Ruto nigo yakwana litukolia lero sekanisa AM ya AIC imeyo mochibwel Eldoret saikirana samasabo yelitukolia Jumapili Mosaki oitwa bangane balino sero amono roboti orwa senchira yoboikirano
nase kanisa ya AIC meomocho Eldoret ya kaunti ya Uasin Gishu asomurai bwense Dr. William Ruto amono murigyo yema marecho Ruto egatia baraibande baikirana erego sasima na babwatani vense meyo gukwana chinga kecho Dr. Ruto niga kambia asama sabo yobochoryo bonene obwate babu arenko burunge kegima ekerekore ngani wa namatukamagega.
Thank you very much for praying for the elections. We had the best elections ever, acclaimed by all the people who participated in the elections, the observers who participated in the elections. These were the most credible elections ever held in Kenya.
Kubwatikana nogo konga kuobogima humurai bwense nigaine kebuna nagenderete koroberia sogo kine birengo byendagera asibo igabo lya baremi kobekomokia asoboremi eryokoine kiari gesarire rigia.
I know we have a big debate in the country about the cost of living and how we need to reduce the cost of food, but it boils down to what we do as farmers. So as a farmer also, I came down here to look at what I can do to make a contribution to food production in our country so that we can reduce the cost of living. I ask all of us who are farmers to go out of their way, even as we pray for rains, that we also do what we must do to be able to produce. Because of the situation where we are, we have imported a lot of food. I think beginning this week, it will get to the market. But that is not the solution. The solution is really in making sure that we produce our food locally, because indeed we have the capacity to.
Asense moya ema marecho ni gagania baigenwa gusabira chiamate asemechando au yekwenekiwa gusabira oburai na mono ense ya Kenya.
Let's continue praying for families, because families are under attack, but when we stand as a church and pray for families, God is going to see us through. Let's continue praying for this great nation that God has given us. Let's continue praying for the leadership that God has given us.
Ruto nigabori abana koligereriwa na gotori gwakorwase obotumeki bwebinyuwa byogotindia egati yemechande ndemenge asate babunambagendrete kubwatirana nebyombe au eryokoene kia yonsi abeireka gwikiraniwa.
We have a serious crisis of drug abuse in our nation. Parents, starting with myself, we need to look out for our children and the children of Kenya. There is a very, very big crisis. We're trying to do what we can do. I recently appointed a new board for NACADA. I'm working with all the other arms of government. But even as we do that at the government level, we must have a combined effort from the families so that we can meet somewhere halfway and make sure that we secure, protect our children and protect our nation from the dangers and the real threat of drug abuse in our nation.
Naya nechingaki ense ya Kenya egenderete gochengera umuyega bwe Pasaka. Ngo reporter egetaseni kya Ndizi TV erietariane Evelyn Osero.